Hello boys and girls, this is Mrs. Rohrig with another math lesson. So our math lesson today is going to be from our math book, on our everyday math book. So if you start on the green page and flip until you get to page 25. On page 25 is the lesson that we're going to do today. Now, before with Mrs. Miller, she has gone over function machine, and that was on this page right here on page 24. So you should have done this with Mrs. Miller already, where you came up with a rule, and in went a certain number, and when you put the rule in, out came another number. Well, our lesson for today is going to be just a review of the function machine. So on page 25 in your math book, it says up at the top, more in, out charts. So this is more in and out charts. So this is just review of what we've already done with the function machines. So right here it says, follow your teacher's rule. So I am going to come up with a rule that you need to follow today. The first thing I need to do is write my rule inside this rule box right here. So my rule for you is +2. Okay? So anything that goes in our box is going to go out by adding 2 to it. So I'm going to start, and I'm going to just come up with some numbers to put on my in column right here, and I want you to copy those at the same time I am writing them. So in my in box, I am going to write a 5, a 3, 8, 4, and 7. Now, I'm going to do the first 2 with you, and I would like for you to do the last 3 all by yourself. So, if the in column starts with a 5, I need to do 5 plus 2, or add 2. So 5, I need to count on from 5. 5, 6, 7. So I added 2, so my out would be 7. Now, if 3 goes in, 3, add 2, 3, 4, 5. My number or answer would be 5. All right, I would like for you to try to do these last 3 all by yourself. Don't forget that our rule is +2. Then, when you're done with this side, you get to come up with your very own rule to do. Up here, I'm going to read it to you. It says, write a rule and the in numbers. Have your partner find the out numbers. All right, so you and a partner, or you could do it by yourself too. You could put a rule here, and just like we did before, write numbers on this column right here in the in spot. Don't forget, this right here says in. So write those numbers, and then follow the rule to get to the out side. I am going to encourage you to stretch your brain and do a subtraction rule over here. So on this side, I would like for your rule to be take away or subtract. So yours should look like this. Take away, and then I want you to come up with a certain number right here. So I think sometimes that subtraction is a little bit trickier than addition. So I encourage you to stretch your brain and use the subtraction rule over here. Okay? Good luck and have fun!